Find the zeros. Well, whenever you're asked to find the zeros, that means you set f of x equal to 0 and go from there. Now, whenever you have a polynomial, what you really need to do is you need to factor. Factor could mean two things here. What I notice right off the bat is factoring this means let's rip out an x. So 0 is going to equal x. Once I pull an x out of that, I'm left with x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then I take a look at that, and I notice, I could factor that further. Two numbers that add up to 2, negative 2, but multiply out to negative 1 are negative 1 and negative 1. And you might look at that and say, those are the same. I'm going to leave it like that. You could have written out x minus 1 squared if you wanted to, but I'm going to leave it like that because it doesn't make a difference. Now that I have something times something equals 1, that's zero product property thoughts. And zero product property says if you multiply several things together and it equals 0, you set each object equal to 0. I have three things. So x is going to equal 0, x minus 1 is going to equal 0, and again, x minus 1 is going to equal 0. So you're already done. All I have to do is just add 1 to both sides, and most of you could have done this in your head and didn't have to do any work. Now we get x equals 0 and x equals 1. Those are my two answers, but I'm going to add a little sauce to this. Since 1 is technically used twice, I'm going to say that the multiplicity is 2. Whenever you use the same answer 2 times, you say multiplicity is 2. Or if it's the same answer 3 times, multiplicity is 3. That'll come in handy when doing pre-calc stuff. But I technically have 3 answers, 0, 1, and 1.